Boom, boom, boom. Hey, yo, what's going on? This is Go By, aka Play to Win. Today we're gonna do the Powerball for tomorrow, and then next after real quick after this video, we're gonna do the Mega Million for today. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this real quick again, so y'all can see exactly what I'm doing, and I know y'all can see, but I will explain better, and I will um make everything much a little bit visible. And I got another video that's gonna come out real soon after this one. So stay tuned and let's get to work. For that, I need to move my marker. Okay, my marker right there. Okay. Remember, what came out Powerball was 20. The last time the Powerball came out was 20, 20, 28, 33. Okay. Yeah, I don't see none. 20, 28, 33, 63, 68, 20. That's what came out on that day. So now what I did, the same way I usually do, multiply by the power play. Multiply all everything by the power play. So by two, the power play was two, so that give me 40. 28 times 2 give me 58. 28 times um 33 times 2 give me 66. And 126 is the result of 2 times 63. 136 is the result of um 2 times 68. 20 is the 40 is the result of 2 times 20. So now what I did, I go over here, okay? So remember that always put your result that you got from this number somewhere separate. When I say separate, you just go to the side right here. You go the result. You start with 40. Start again 58, 66, 126, then 136, and then 40. So when you do that, okay, 40. So after that, next, what you're gonna do when you do that, you put one at the bottom to six, okay, each side. But remember, on the right side, the six start from the top down. Okay, from the left side, you start one to six down. Okay, so two, three, four, five, and six. So this table right here, that's the table we're gonna be using to verification to verify numbers that we're gonna find here. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna start from the lowest number. We're gonna start from the lowest number, which is zero, to see how many zero do we have. When we come here, we check one, two. We got two zeros. Okay, we got two zeros, and we check for how many ones. We got two ones. Okay, we got two ones. Well, I already did everything already. It's just like they're not showing up real good. So I'm trying to explain the much possible I can, okay, so y'all can understand and then see what I'm doing, okay. To your own thing, you while I'm doing this, you can even doing it too, so you can understand. Hey, McKellen, how are you, baby girl? Okay. So now we're gonna do the next number, which is two. We got one, two. Okay. We got one, two. We got one, three. We got four. We got two fours, five. We're going to five now. We got one five. We got four six. We got one eight. We got We got 1/8. So now what we're doing, we add everything together, the value, frequency, and sum, you add them separately together. And then that will give me 29 when you add all of them. So now we're doing the frequency sign. The frequency sign, when you add everything together, that will give you 14. So that give you 14 right here. And then we go for the sum now. Okay, before we go for the sum, we're gonna multiply the frequency to the with the value. So we start from the top. That give me 2 times 0, give me 0. 2 times 1 give me 2. That give me 2. 2 times 1, 1 times 2, it give me 2. 1 times 3, 3. 2 times 4, 8. 1 times 5, 5. 4 times 6 is 24. 1 times 8 is 8. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna add everything together for the sum. We're gonna do the same thing. We just when we add everything together, the sum give me 52. Okay, the sums give me 52. So now, on this line, we got two numbers that's missing. We got two numbers that's missing, okay? When we put everything here, inside here, the value, what we have here, we got certain numbers that we don't have, and that result. So that being said that we miss 7 is missing, okay? 7 is missing, 7 is missing, okay, and 9 is missing because the value line is supposed to be 0 to 9. So 7 is missing, 9 is missing. So watch out for 9, watch out for 7. Okay, sometime you can see watching out for 9 or 7. They don't show up, but the number that's close to them come out. For example, 7 is not here, but maybe it's not gonna come out. I mean, 60, 64, 6, you know what I mean? 65 come out on that line. That's the number. That's the line that you need to watch out for, the value. Because if the number is not complete, the line is not complete, that means the number that's missing. Watch out for it. So next, we're gonna do the same thing we did over here for this table. We're gonna do the same thing over here with this table. Okay, count how many ones, how many twos, but from the 0. We start from 0. Now, over here again, when we count, we got 2 zeros. We do the same thing over here, which means we said we got 2 zeros. So now how many ones we got? When I count that, we got 6 1. So we put 6 over here under the frequency line. And then now we go for 2. When I count the twos, I got 9 twos. That means I got 9 twos. So you see where I find 9? I find 9 on the second line, or third line, like 2. So that means it can be 29, okay? It can be 69 because we got 6 times 1 can be 69, okay? And it can be, well, it can be 29 too, okay? Right here, it give me 29. Over here, give me 29. So it can be one of those numbers. But what I'm thinking about, it can be 69 mostly because 69 is repeat more, okay? So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna keep count. We're gonna keep doing it, and then to see which number that's still missing and which number that we still have we can work with. And when we done that, we're gonna come over here to match number that we choose that's on the table. Let's move it forward. Okay. The same thing I did here, we do it again. Look for 1, 2, how many? Yeah, I got 9 twos. So I put 9 over here. I'm looking for 3 now. How many threes I have? I have 1, 2. I got 2 threes. Okay. Now I'm looking for fours. How many fours? 1, 2, 3. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. There's another four somewhere. I don't think so. Yeah, there's another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4, 4. So when we done, we put 4 right here on the frequency line. We check for the 5 now. How many 5 do we have? We got 3 5. So we put 3 on the frequency line. Now we got for look for 6. How many 6 do we have? We are only have 1 6. So we put 1 in the frequency line. So we still don't have 7 over here. So what we doing? We still skip 7, so we take 8. How many 8 do I have? I have check over here. I see I got 3 8. So we got 3 8 over here. So we got 9. Now, how many 9 do I have? I have 1 9 over here. The result that gives me 29. So this 9, this you're gonna have to use the whole thing. So I got 1 9. So 1 9 I put it on the 1. So now we're going to do the same thing again. Count the value, frequency, and sound. So we count the value, they give me 39. The value gives me 39. And then now the frequency gives me 31. So when we do the sum again, we count everything. Right, the same thing we do, we multiply. Let's do this. But then when we multiply everything, over here I got 6 times 1 give me 6, right? So that's a 66 right here. And then when we count 2 times 9, 9 times 2, give me 18. So here we got 18, okay? Now 6, 2 times 6, 3 give me 6, 4, 16, 3, 17, sorry, 15, and 6, 1 times 6 give me 6, 3 times 8 give me 24, 1 on time 9 give me 9. So when we count everything, the value give me 39, the sound and the frequency give me 31, the sounds give me a 100. So now what we're going to do now is the last part to pick your numbers. So to pick your numbers, you're gonna have to go over here and check out over here to look what number that's match over here. Okay, what number that's match over here. Okay, so now on this line, the range is 9 because the highest number minus low number. So now we put 9 over here minus 0. So like being said, we got 9 come as a range. So we don't really have to do those things because those I don't think those count because I never find no result from those things. But right here, yeah, that's where you find all the numbers, all 6 numbers. Here, mostly you can find 5 numbers. Sometimes you find all of them, but it's very rare to find all the 6 numbers. It can be put for Megaboo, Mega Million, it can be used for Powerball. Okay, let's move on. So now we're gonna compare numbers that we see that show up a lot and how we can bring them together like a crossword, something like that. Okay, that's what we're gonna use now. Now you're gonna to use your ability to see and recognize. So if you can recognize numbers, if you can match numbers, this is the time to do that, and then you only one step away from your dream, be a millionaire. Okay, so now let's compare numbers. Okay, now remember we got 60, we got over here, we got 69. We don't have 9 on this result right here, so 9 don't show up. So we're gonna have to work really hard to find how we can merge those numbers together and see which number that really makes sense. Okay, for example, over here, when I check, when I check, I got 60. I got 68. When I check, when I look really good, I see 68 over here, right? 68. And then when I go over here to check, you see 68 is right here. 68 is right here. And 66, 66 is right here. 66 is right here. 66 is right here. Okay? And then the last thing, we got 606 right here and 06 right here. So if you can, let's go for 68 first. We got 68, okay? 68 right here. Now we got 66 right here, right here. So I'm gonna take 66. I'm gonna take 66 too. So if it's come out, it come out. And then we got, huh, huh, something popping in here. Something popping in here. Something popping. 46, 68, 46. I take, yeah, I take this for 46. Okay, 46. Over here we got 1406. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take 406, turn it to 46. Okay, 46. That three numbers that we have so far. And then look, over here we got 66. Okay, 66 right here. And over here we got 46 right here. Okay, that's three numbers. And then next, we're going to check again. What number do we have over there? We don't have over here. Okay. Remember, 9 was missing. So we got 9 over here. So we're gonna work with 9. Okay. 26, 48. Hmm. Yeah, I think that's something we should work with. 46, 48. Okay. So now I'm gonna take 29, 29, 68, or 69, 68, 46. That's crazy, boy. You can see the number right here, but you gotta be really good to get it. Okay, let's do this real fast because I'm about to end this video. Okay, 46. Let me take 29. Okay, here I'm gonna take again. Okay, 40. Now we're gonna start with 25. I'm gonna take 25. Okay, I'm gonna take 25 because here, 25. Where are you? Where are you? 25. Well, we got 24 here. We got 24. Let me see something. I think we got 64 two times. 64 two times. Probably it's not gonna be 46. It's probably gonna be no, I'm gonna keep 46 too. But 64 play a part of it. Okay? 64. Um let me see. 66, 28, 46, 64. Now we only need two numbers. Okay? I'm gonna take 20, 25. Wait. 25. Okay, 25. And then I'm gonna said 27. 25 is the Powerball. Okay, 25 is the Powerball. 27 next. Okay, so that's my pick for today. So thank you for watching, and please, even like you don't play, if you can do this at home, like I know you can really see my board really good. So that's why I take my time to explain. If you can do this at home while I'm explaining, you can do this on your own. You can get rich on your own. You can be a millionaire. Me, I'm two steps away from being a millionaire. Okay? So you can be too, because all the thing always here, all the numbers always come out here. Only you got one thing you gotta do is put two and two together and make it make sense. Make things make sense. Your brain can figure it out if you ask your brain to. It will figure it out. Okay? So take your time and then do this. You will get it. So wait for my next video. Stay tuned for the Mega Million for today. Right now it's gonna come up. Okay, people? Thank you for watching, and then have a blessed day. And for people on Valentine's Day, the ladies, happy Valentine's Day, happy late Valentine's Day, because I didn't come live to say happy Valentine's Day to anyone. So sorry for that, and may God bless you guys. May God bless America. I love Haiti, and I love all of you, my brothers. Be good and beware. Again, God bless you. Thank you.